Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-Cross R line finished in reflex silver metallic paint. It features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 110 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle as well with a full Volkswagen service history. And just starting off at the front of the vehicle, you'll benefit from those LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 18-inch Nevada alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. You've also got power folding and heated wing mirrors, and privacy glass from the B-pillar backward as well. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, and also an adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting, so plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. Moving inside, there's lovely signature R-line upholstery with a park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers to charge any devices. At the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display, housing your vital driving information, including assistance systems on board such as lane assist. And alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you'd also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage below and a couple more USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.